Hello, I'm Linda Thomson, and I wanted to tell you about an exciting new opportunity at the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis annual meeting in Reno, Lake Tahoe in March 2020. As the gold standard of education in clinical hypnosis, ASCH is continually improving its educational product. Based on evaluations from participants in our Level 2 intermediate workshops, we have added more depth and less breadth, more demonstrations, and more practice. In order to do this, some of the didactic content of previous workshops was removed. These topics, eliminated from Level 2 training, will be expanded, enhanced, and offered at the annual in Reno, Tahoe in 2020. On Thursday and Friday, these workshops will have a focus on mental health topics. On Saturday and Sunday, the topics will especially appeal to medical professionals. These sessions, taught by seasoned faculty and luminaries in the field of clinical hypnosis, are open to all registrants at the annual meeting, but are especially encouraged for those who have taken their Level 2 intermediate workshop within the last 2 years. There is no requirement to attend all of the Level 3 offerings. Participants may select from all the workshops offered at the ASCH Annual Scientific Meeting and Workshops in Reno, Tahoe, March 19th through the 22nd, 2020. I hope to see you there.